Have you ever met an old friend after years and suddenly felt excited, nervous, and speechless, all at the same time? You want to sound natural in English, but real conversations feel different from textbooks, right? Today I'll show you a long, natural conversation between two friends reconnecting after years, and we'll break down the phrases and idioms step by step. This video is divided in 3 parts. So let's start with the part 1, the extended natural conversation. Wait, Zara, is this really you? Oh my gosh, Lily, I can't believe this. What are the odds? This is insane. I haven't seen you in 5 years? At least. Wow, you look amazing. Stop it. So do you. You've changed in a good way. I hope that's a compliment. Life's been a roller coaster, honestly. Oh, tell me everything. What have you been up to? Well, where do I even start? I moved to another city for work. At first, I was completely out of my comfort zone. I can imagine that must have been tough. It was. I felt homesick all the time. But looking back, it really helped me grow. That's huge. I'm proud of you. Last time we talked, you were still deciding what to do. Exactly. I finally took the plunge and switched careers. No way! That's such a bold move. It was scary, but it paid off. I actually love what I do now. That makes me so happy to hear. As for me, life took a different turn. Oh, what happened? I moved back home, started freelancing, and honestly, I've been focusing more on myself. That sounds healthy. Sometimes slowing down is exactly what we need. True, I used to stress over everything. Now I try to take things one day at a time. Wow, we both come a long way, haven't we? We really have. Time flies. It does. It feels like just yesterday we were planning our futures. And now we are actually living them. I'm so glad we ran into each other today. Me too. Let's not lose touch again. Deal. Next coffee is on me. You are on. This was a casual conversation between two friends reconnecting after a long time. Now, let's enter in the part 2. Let's break down the real English used in this conversation. What are the odds? It means, what a coincidence. Life's been a roller coaster. It means, life has had many ups and downs. Out of my comfort zone. It means in a situation that feels unfamiliar or scary. Homesick. Missing your home or family. Take the plunge. It means to make a big, scary decision. It paid off. It means it gave positive results. Life took a different turn. It means things changed unexpectedly. Take things one day at a time. It means don't worry about the future. Focus on today. Come a long way. To improve a lot over time. Let's not lose touch. It means Let's keep communicating. It was super easy. You don't have to memorize these phrases and idioms. Just put them in a conversation and they will stick in your mind. Now it's part 3. How to sound natural like this. If you want to speak like this, use contractions. Like I have becomes I've. I. It is becomes it's. It's. We have becomes we've. We've. Want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. And there are a lot of contractions that are used in daily conversation. Use emotional reactions. Example, oh my gosh, no way, seriously, that's huge. Reactions like these will add emotions in your conversations. Share feelings, not just facts. Instead of I moved to another city, say I moved to another city and honestly it was scary at first. That's real English. Repeat after me. Life's been a roller coaster. I was out of my comfort zone. I took the plunge. It paid off. We've come a long way. Let's not lose touch. Speak confidently. English is not just grammar, it's connection, it's emotion. If you enjoyed this real-life English conversation, comment part 2 and I'll create another natural dialogue. Like, subscribe and keep growing every single day.